Hey everyone, welcome back. I was just sitting here the other day looking at my bills, and I noticed something. All these little subscriptions we have for software really add up, don't they? It's like every time I need to do something on my computer, there's a subscription for it. And I thought, there's gotta be a better way. So I spent hours, literally hours, digging deep to find 10 absolutely incredible free software applications that can replace those costly subscriptions. We're talking hundreds of dollars saved every year. Stick around, because you're about to discover tools that will seriously change your digital life. In this video, we're diving into a treasure trove of free software, from powerful PDF editors and Office suites to optimization tools and even a top-notch VPN. And don't worry, whether you're a Windows, Mac, or Linux user, I've got you covered. Plus, for every program I mention, you can find the download links for all the software mentioned in this video right below in the description. Just check it out and grab what you need. I've personally tried and tested each of these, and I can't wait to share them with you. Let's jump right in. If you're already excited about saving money, hit that subscribe button. It's totally free, and you'll get notified every time I drop a new video with more awesome tips and tricks. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next. First up, if you're tired of paying for Microsoft 365, LibreOffice is your new best friend. This free and open source suite has everything you need: Writer, Calc, Impress, Draw, Base, and Math. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Free Office suite? Is it any good? And let me tell you, yes, it absolutely is. Think of it as a complete Office suite, but without the monthly fees. Whether it's documents, spreadsheets, or presentations, LibreOffice handles it all. And it's compatible with Microsoft Office formats, which is really important for sharing files with others. It is available on Windows, Mac, Linux, Android, and iOS, so you can use it on pretty much any device you have. I remember when I first started using LibreOffice, I was amazed at how well it handled even complex documents. It's been a lifesaver for me. Now let's move on to the next software on our list. Tired of Adobe Acrobat Pro's price tag? Check out PDF Gear. This versatile tool lets you edit, convert, and organize PDFs with ease. You can edit text, images, convert to various formats like Word and Excel, and even sign and fill forms. All for free. I mean, think about it. How often do you need to edit a PDF and end up paying for a subscription? With PDF Gear, that's a thing of the past. This is super handy for anyone who works with PDFs regularly. It is compatible with Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android, which means you can use it on your computer, phone, or tablet. It's really convenient. I've used it to fill out forms, edit contracts, and even convert PDFs to Word documents for editing. It's incredibly versatile. If you like this one, wait till you see the next. It's even more interesting. For Linux users and those who like web-based applications, Sterling PDF is a fantastic open-source PDF editor. It's lightweight, cross-platform, and perfect for merging, splitting, rotating, and converting PDFs. Plus, it's got OCR and annotation tools, so you can extract text from images and add notes to your documents. Imagine you have a large PDF and you only need a few pages. With Sterling PDF, you can easily split it up. It's great for anyone who wants a simple and effective PDF editor without paying anything. I personally find the OCR feature super useful for grabbing text from scanned documents, and because it's open source, you know it's always being improved and updated by the community. The next software you should definitely check out is: need a powerful photo editor without the Photoshop price? GIMP is your answer. It's a feature-rich, open-source image editor perfect for retouching, composition, and graphic design. With tools like layers, selection tools, and filters, you can unleash your creativity. I used to think you needed Photoshop to do serious photo editing, but GIMP proved me wrong. Whether you're a photographer, designer, or just someone who likes to edit photos, GIMP has you covered. It's really powerful and has a lot of features. You can do everything from basic color correction to complex image manipulations. I remember when I first tried GIMP, I was blown away by how many tools it had. It's like having a professional photo editing suite for free. Speaking of productivity, ShareX is a screen capture tool that blows the Windows snipping tool out of the water. It's free, open source, and packed with features like scrolling capture, screen recording, and advanced annotation tools. Plus, it has OCR. So, you can capture long web pages, record your screen, and even extract text from images. This is super useful for making tutorials or sharing information quickly. I use it almost every day. For instance, when I'm explaining a software feature to someone, I just use ShareX to record a quick video. Or, if I need to grab a screenshot of an entire web page, the scrolling capture is a lifesaver. And the OCR feature? That's just amazing for quickly copying text from images. Real quick, if you're finding value in this video so far, do me a favor. Please like and share the video and subscribe to the channel. Subscribing to the channel doesn't cost you a thing, but it helps me out tremendously. With that YouTube algorithm, it helps me grow the channels so I can continue to bring you videos on a weekly basis just like this. Thank you, and let's get back to the video next on our list. Now, let's talk about email. If you're juggling multiple email accounts, Thunderbird is a must-have. This free and open-source email client lets you manage all your emails, calendars, and contacts in one place. I used to have so many tabs open in my browser for different email accounts, it was a mess. Thunderbird solved that problem for me. It's customizable, privacy-focused, and has tons of add-ons. So, you can keep all your emails organized and easily access your calendar and contacts. It's really convenient and helps you stay organized. I especially like the ability to add different calendars and keep everything in one place. It's a real time saver. Now let's talk optimization. First up, Microsoft PC Manager is a free tool that puts all your Windows optimization tools in one place. Boost your system, clear junk files, manage storage, and enhance security, all with a few clicks. You know how sometimes your computer just feels sluggish? Well, PC Manager helps fix that. It's like having a maintenance tool for your computer, and it's completely free. It helps keep your computer running smoothly. I find the health check feature particularly useful. It scans for issues and gives you recommendations on how to fix them. And the storage management tool helps me quickly find and delete unnecessary files. It's a really handy tool to have. Next, if you want to completely uninstall programs and remove every trace, Revo Uninstaller is your go-to. It scans for leftover files and registry entries, ensuring your system stays clean and efficient. Unlike the regular uninstall feature in Windows, Revo Uninstaller makes sure everything is completely removed, which helps keep your computer running fast. Sometimes when you uninstall a program, it leaves behind all sorts of files and registry entries, which can slow down your computer over time. Revo Uninstaller takes care of all that. I remember when I first used it, I was amazed at how much junk it found that the regular uninstaller had missed. It's a really powerful tool for keeping your system clean. For antivirus protection, Bitdefender Antivirus Free Edition is a lightweight, no-fuss option. It offers real-time threat detection, anti-phishing, and cloud-based scanning, all without slowing down your computer. It's a great way to keep your computer safe from viruses and other threats without paying for expensive antivirus software. I know a lot of people rely on Windows Defender, but sometimes you just want that extra layer of protection. Bitdefender Free provides that. It runs quietly in the background and keeps your computer safe without slowing it down. I've been using it for a while now, and I've never had any issues. Finally, for added privacy, Proton VPN is the best free VPN I've found. It's unlimited, ad-free, and doesn't log your activity. With features like a kill switch and stealth VPN protocol, it's a great choice for secure browsing. It helps keep your internet activity private and secure, which is important in today's world. With so many websites and services tracking our online activity, it's nice to have a VPN that keeps things private. Proton VPN does just that. And the fact that it's completely free and unlimited is a huge plus. I use it whenever I'm on public Wi-Fi or when I want to keep my browsing activity private. And there you have it, 10 incredible free software applications that can save you a ton of money and boost your productivity. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Check out some of my other videos for more tech tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and until next time, Let us know in the comments which of these software do you think is the best. Share your thoughts below.